Did you know you could drive down the road, never leaving your own lane of travel, never even touching the sides of the lane, and it could still be used as evidence against you in a DUI case? Hi, I'm Northern Virginia criminal defense attorney Scott Nolan, and I'm here to talk to you about weaving within the lane. Weaving is when the car moves side to side, doesn't travel perfectly straight down the road. Well, obviously, if you're weaving in such a way that you're crossing over the line, you're going back and forth, what most people would probably just call driving all over the road, yeah, all of us would expect to be pulled over at that point. But do you know that if you're moving side to side inside your own lane, that can be evidence used to stop you and evidence used against you in a DUI case? Now, no road is perfectly straight, and no car is driving on rails. And sometimes with a large SUV or a tractor trailer, you may only have inches between the walls of your vehicle and the edge of the lane. And still, if you move slightly back and forth within that lane, the law in Virginia says that can be enough to pull you over, and it can be used as evidence in a DUI case. Now, in many states, weaving within the lane is never articulable suspicion to pull you over. Louisiana, for instance, states that weaving within the lane, as long as you don't touch the lane markers, is never reasonable articulable suspicion for a stop. Maryland says you have to touch the lane marker a certain number of times before it can rise to the level of reasonable articulable suspicion. But here in Virginia, there's a case that says weaving within your own lane without ever touching the markers can be reasonable articulable suspicion to stop you. And that means a huge number of innocent things you could be doing can get you pulled over. Sneeze hard, pulled over. Hit a rough patch in the road, pulled over. In the old days, and I don't mean so very long ago, police did not bother videoing what was going on with your car. I suppose they didn't want the judge to be burdened with the truth. Now, very often we can examine the video, see that the car is not swerving in any dangerous manner. It's just moving slightly from left to right, and there can be a lot of innocent reasons for that. If you'd like to talk to me about weaving within the lane or any other area of the law, please feel free to give me a call. I do this every single day, and I'd be very happy to talk to you. And you have a great day.